What up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the table where everybody eat. Y'all know what to do. Hit that like button for your boy. And if it's your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you don't miss out on the plays and updates we bring to you guys each and every day in the market. Now, the other day I made a video on rare earth stocks covering CRML, IMSR, and USAR. So I'll return now with a quick update on ticker symbol CRML, which closed at $18.27 on the day. And as you see in the aftermarket, the day before we get FOMC, we are now trading at $17.92. It's down a little bit in the after hour market. But after that last video, the stock played out exactly like we projected, pushing into that analyst price target of $20 and actually surpassing that, going to, I believe, like $21.50, maybe even $22 a share. Now, what's important is that this move is no longer technical anymore. And before we head over to the chart, here's our Discord community. Everybody eats. Don't feel pressure to join or none of that good stuff. But if you do like the technical analysis you receive in the videos, you like the early alerts on certain names that we have covered already in the past and future names to come, then the link is below in the description and probably pinned in the top of the chat. Every tier comes with a free trial, either a 1-day trial, 1-week trial, 30-day trial, depending on whichever one you select. But as you see, going over the hot stocks, yesterday when ticker symbol CRML in the pre-market was trading around $21, I had alerted them and let them know that this here is what we were looking like, as well as the chart below where we were in the pre-market, right here above that 2085, right here 2250. Chart may look slightly different when we get over there, but again, this here isn't like a sales ad or anything like that. Just subscribe to the channel and you can continue to get these levels. And as you see, we cover hot stocks, small cap stocks, swing trading, our option plays. Oh yeah, this here was at the end of day. I'm like, what is this on the screen? Because I normally don't put a chart next to the option play. But we seen, or I seen, or there you go also as well on this retracement. We looked at a CRML 22.5 call for 320. We're not necessarily in it, but we're definitely watching. Who knows, depending on tomorrow. However, we seen Rigetti, ticker symbol RGTI, had a nice hold on the daily. Well, I seen nice hold on the daily 200 with the 9 trying to possibly find support right there on the 21 as it may have possibly curled up. But once we seen that, why not take the risk to reward ratio for a 23 call for this week? Yeah, it was slightly high on the premium, but at the end of the day, this here is purely based off of technicals. And then obviously the gains. This here was in my channel and Flacco latest moves. It wasn't in the option plays channel, but we called this out here 9:50 in the morning. We actually been looking at Rich Tech Robotics for some time. I'm not going to sit here and say that I got this here. I closed my position, I believe, at like 330%. They closed there. At this time, this here probably was up roughly 1,000%, 900%, if I'm not mistaken. Whatever the math is from that right there. But again, that's a link for the Discord community as well as my profile over on X or Twitter, where I post what I see in the market. I post charts. Thank you guys for sure for the subscribers. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button, share this video out to your peoples. But yeah, I post the charts. Look at my lovely wife. Look at Jensen Wong enjoying life out there, man. Over somewhere. But up there go that game, Rich Tech Robotics. RCAT, we got in that play earlier today. You know, we're looking at Robin Hood, seeing what it's going to do in decision. Shout out my guy, Keenan Grace, KGU, 300% again. As well as the chart. He always post, well, not always, but I post the charts as well. So like I say, links below in the description. If you guys want to join the Discord community, follow your boy on Twitter. Don't have to. You can just stay subscribed to the channel and get these updates as well. Now, bringing us to the daily chart, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. I mean, I could just stay here so we can see that, but I'd rather go to the higher time frame, at least the 4 hour. So bear with me. Okay, so here we are on the 4 hour time frame. Zoom in a little bit right here. And already what I see in my day ones, y'all probably see the same thing. We'll come down here. As our 21 SMA was rejecting or curling, now we got a slight little curl like that, right? You guys see that? As well as, even though this candle here, zoom in, is red, it closed above, and right now it's actually holding on that 21 SMA, which is the same thing that happened right here. It didn't happen as much here, but at the end of the day, it still happened there. So we lost to 21, reclaimed, got above, went higher. Lost it, reclaimed, got higher. Up, my bad. Now we lost it very briefly. Hopefully we stay above, because now once we get back above, or not even get back above, my day ones, y'all know about sniper fair value gap. Anybody new to the channel, even if we get something like this, all right, that's cool. I'm not an artist on the drawer, so y'all bear with me. But at the same time, once we get back above this sniper fair value gap right here, the supply sniper fair value gap, which is around 19.12. So let's just say $19 to 19.15. Once we reclaim that, then we could target at best the bottom right here of $20.16, or let's just say the cycle level of 20. Get above cycle level of 20, ideally maybe 2015. We're going to keep this line in the sand at that 2018. But that's what we have for right now, and we're going to remove these out the way so when we go down in the lower time frame, it's not in our way. All right, so here we are back on the hour time frame, and now, once again, my day ones, y'all already see this, and boy, this is gorgeous. We got the curl here, 21 SMA, curled under. As long as it respect, that's too bad, too sad, we're going to keep that. As long as it respects our sniper fair value gap, then we're going to be good. Especially the same thing with this here, holding in our sniper fair value gap. So not only is the 21 SMA respecting that fair value gap, it's all based off price action for what I see on the chart. So there we go. We got the area there that we're holding. And then we also have this area here we held on the 200. So the 200 SMA on the 1 hour, we held the last time we were at that area. What do? We haven't been in that area for a while. All right. Okay. So that's our first test. So once we broke above, this is gorgeous if you want to think about it on the hour time frame. Once we broke above, price action came up here, boom. I'm going to go ahead and make this 1326 real live effect. I'm slightly early on it, but I really truly feel like this is gonna hold, and I don't think we ever going to get that. May not. So now that's going to be the golden line in the sand in a sense. Once we get above, or we show that we're going to hold this red supply right here of this fair value gap, then that's where I'll probably do the flip. I'll probably change the green area of support into the golden pocket. This area of supply, I'll change it to green for it to possibly be our new demand. Reason being, it could be our new demand is, as you probably could see clear as day, right here. Then I didn't even notice we had this gap area right here. So once we get this, and I probably did notice, no, I did notice it actually. So once we do get some liquidity in here, some more price action like we did right here, which honestly that was kind of enough. And then this downtrend was also more as well. So we kind of got enough price action here, but I still would like to see a little more. And ideally, either way, my day ones, y'all can see right here how this ended up respecting the golden zone, coming up here, respecting that area there, respecting that area there, coming down. Then we respect the top with the sniper fair value gap. Came up. We didn't make it to the line in the sand, but now we're curling around here. And if you guys could see, that's a beautiful uptrend that's also following that 200 SMA. Going down to the 30-minute time frame, and we can probably wrap this video up. So on the 30, now we did get across of the 21 through the 200, but if that crossed back above, while we clear as day, bounced right off the top of the sniper fair value gap, very, very, very good. And now we're inside the other fair value gap above this area right here that I had showed you guys on that 1 hour time frame. Also reclaiming, if we zoom in, the 200. Once the 21 possibly cross back above that 200, and then we get above here, we could have a line in the sand, honestly, around this area. Yep, okay, that do work. 1872, and I can see why, and I'll show you guys why. So we could maintain $18 cycle level, 1782 to 18. Period. Not even going to go with any time frame. We're just going to stick with 1782 to $18. We hold that. We're looking for to get above 1872. This right here is going to close out the video. We're looking to get above 1872. We can get above 1872 and mount 1872. Ideally, we want to get, like I say, $19 to 19, 15, 19, 20. Once we there and we hold, we got another little slight area right here around 1964. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead. I gotta make both of these gray. All right, so both of them are line in the sand. That's our line in the sand pocket, with 19 being in the middle, which is the true line in the sand. But this area here, I'm actually going to turn into a rejection. We got another gap zone between 21. Even though we filled it to the downside, just remember this area was illiquid. So I'll just go from the candle, from 2020 to 2143 slash 2190. So 2020 to 2143. So that's that area. But ideally, I'm gonna turn this 2085 into a resistance for now. So we got support here, mid-range supply or whatnot, line in the sand around 1872. We get above 1872, we're heading towards 19. We get to 19, 1915, then now we want 1960 to 1970, somewhere in that range. We get that, then we got the psych level of 20. Ideally, where's that gap? 2020. So we got the psych level of 20 to 2020. Once we could hold 2020, we're shooting for sure. No, if I can't give you guys for sure, I don't do those. But then that's where we could probably test at 2142. Then ideally, 2250 would be the target for reassessment for me. So that's what I have for you guys on ticker symbol CRML. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe. Drop a comment below, man. I want you guys to start commenting. Let me know if I need to liven up, if I need to slow down, if you like the content, you don't like the content. I mean, I really don't want bad comments, but at this point, I do like you guys hitting that like button. I do like the subscribers. I like the growth. So I just ask for some more engagement, man. But thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Much love. We out.